Real people let the world go around.
We're gonna unbox a fun Amazon gift for someone that you love who's using headphones. This is pretty cool. It's a headphone holder, headphone stand. This thing is really cool. Looks great on the desk. Super great. Great Christmas gift. I'll post the link below. It's always appreciated if you buy from my link, buy through my link. I do get a very small commission, but it would really help if you were to go ahead and use that. So I really appreciate it. All right, well, happy holiday season kickoff. These are cool headphones, by the way. These are Victrola, classic Victrola from another era. But these are really cool and they're super comfy. I mean, really comfy. Actually, I love wearing them. Here's another pair of headphones for your child or playful spirit. Super cute, huh? Super cute. You should be able to get something like this on Amazon as well. I bought these from an airport store. What is the fancy airport store? Ergonomic, and actually I haven't seen them in a while. I hope they didn't go out of business. I think it starts with a B. Here it is without any headphones. You could probably find some other uses for it. Here you go. If you or your woman wears these kinds of things, you can have a nice little spot for it. That is wonderful. Super cute. Super cute. You could even put that on your desk. You're going to be seeing several more videos on really good, fun stuff to buy for the holiday season. Have a great day. Lulu just showed up. She's the best part. She's even nuzzling one of the boxes. Lulu! Oh, Lulu. Lulu particularly likes this. What do you think, Lulu? All right. By the way, I am using the DJI Mic 2. These are great. I'm pairing it with the iPhone right now, and I'm going to show you how to do that in another video, so stick around. I know many of you have already moved on to the DJI Mic Mini and the Mic Mini, and that's okay. A lot of us still have these Mic 2s, and I believe the quality is better with these Mic 2s as well. I believe the specs are more impressive. All right.
Real people